Automotive molds, as the core tools for producing key components of automobiles, cover various types such as injection molds, blow molds, and stamping molds. Their main purpose is to manufacture interior and exterior trim parts of automobiles. Plastic products among them include headlights, instrument panels, door trims, air conditioning vents, body plastic parts, and so on. For example, the automotive bumper occupies an important position in the overall structure of the vehicle. It has the dual functions of protecting the vehicle body and enhancing the aesthetics. Customized automotive bumper molds are made from high-quality steel as the base material and are polished through multiple elaborate processes such as CNC machining, heat treatment, and surface treatment, possessing remarkable characteristics of high precision and high production efficiency. The instrument panel mold adheres to extremely strict standards in the processing technology and surface treatment links, striving to achieve a perfect combination of aesthetics and practicality. The headlight mold adopts the design scheme of the hot runner system and selects high-performance plastic materials such as ABS and PC. The main body of the mold is made of high-hardness steel, which effectively ensures the excellent performance of the headlight in terms of light transmittance. It can not only ensure a good light conduction effect, but also effectively avoid the occurrence of glare in the absence of light or in a high brightness state. The manufacturing of automotive molds is a comprehensive and complex systematic project, involving multi-dimensional considerations such as mold structure design, process planning, and material selection. Would you like to learn more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave messages in the comment area. Your attention, subscription, and consultation are welcomed. Get more industry information.